Here we go, traders. Let's recap what played out before market open and what's playing out right now. This is last 2 weeks in March, traders. This is a chart we have not touched since early March. Price collapsed from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone on S&P, historical 3100 level. Starting from the middle of March, stunning flawless rallies. Intelligent trader understands not to short into reversal zone, to buy from. March 20th, 22nd, 23rd, ultimate institutional bottom. Right now we are at day trading resistance. Intelligent trader knows and understands that. So if you will choose to buy the market right now, is gonna continue giving us bullish alerts. Intelligent trader understands the difference. Buying here versus buying at the bottom versus buying at support. March 29th, April 1st, April 2nd, April 4th and 3rd. So this is what intelligent strategic traders have done. Take a look. It's a stunning reminder of the power of alpha Fibonacci traders. Happy April 6th. Bread is done well before trading room opens. 3 points S&P. David killing it. Gold 3 trades. Oil 25 ticks. Gold 51 ticks. Jennifer, stunning beautiful wife of Emmanuel, killing it before market open. Flawless price action. Marco, despite what's happening in Italy, killing it. Carl, incredible job. 77 ticks and Q and S&P. Amazing, flawless work. Stunning, flawless comment by Jennifer. Patience is a key. What is a maximum work? Effort. As Brad shares, absolute maximum in front of the screen, 1 hour. Nothing else is needed. Work day, Manu, 1 hour. Just over an hour. Boom. Would you like to make a living trading 3-4 hours per week? David, 2 hours. Their prep analysis, critical point. It's crucial. Absolutely. Carl, 2.5 hours. Amazing work. Which means absolute maximum 10 hours per week. What a way to make a living. So this is critical points by alpha Fibonacci traders. Some traders 1 hour per day, maximum 2.5 hours per day. Work week 4 hours average to 10 hours maximum. This is one of the most important moments in your trading. Sitting and staring at the chart, never an option. This is one of the most important moments traders who are struggling do not recognize. The most powerful thing you can ever do, prepare for your trading day. The most dangerous things you can ever do, stare at the price. The most important thing you can ever do, understand what institutions do. Do you? If you understand what institutions do, you are in excellent shape. You know where to sell with institutions. You know where to buy with institutions. All in advance, never after the fact. And that's the power of strategic, intelligent trading. Never confuse prep work with trading. This is alpha Fibonacci chess. This is what successful traders do every single day on every single trade. Flawless. Preparing for the trade. Strategic trading. Trading Absolute maximum 2 hours per day. Never ever more. On average 1 hour. That's it. Trading is done. And that's standard traders. And that's spectacular trading by Alpha Fibonacci traders. Trading day is done. Price remains frozen at Alpha Fibonacci resistance, present in the room since early March. If I convert this chart to 1 or 3 or 4 or 5, no one is surprised. Market stuck. Chopping back and forth. Intelligent trader, not surprised. So here's a typical email. Here's the email from Bill who says March was the best month ever. While everyone blowing up their accounts in the most extreme months ever, Alpha Fibonacci traders killing it. More and more podcasts, more and more testimonies to come. Simplicity and accuracy of the system continues to amaze me. March 2020, tough months to say the least, and my best months ever. Gold and micro S&P. Emails like Bill's means the world.